What should
Wait lang. What should we will do next?
Wrong! Walang will!
What should? What should?
Oh, mama! Si mama! Si mama! Mama!
Bakit ka mali ba? What should...
Oh,
What should...
Pa ako na next ah.
game?
Ay, di wala mo yung will.
Watch!
What
Oh, we should ah.
we... Will next.
Wrong! What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Yun, guys, for today's video, English, Tagalog. Tagalog, English.
Yeah! English channel.
Yes, yung Tagalog, i-Englishin nyo, guys.
Yes.
Okay, bawat sagot, guys, makakain ng pizza.
Yes.
Okay?
Islam.
Saan natin?
Buksan nyo na.
Love at first sight.
Wow.
Sarap.
Anong flavor yan, mama?
Ano? Hawaiian.
Hawaiian. Wow, ang sarap.
Hawaiian.
Ganun,
Excuse
pag ganun
me,
niya,
guys.
pag ganun. Hindi. Christian tomato. Yan, Christian. Okay, syempre, bago tayo magsimula, hi muna tayo sa mga viewers.
Hi!
Okay, guys, hi sa inyo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like sa aming video.
Yes.
Okay, so,
Yun na yan.
maglalaban kayong tatlo. Uulitin ko, guys, kung sino yung makakasagot, siya lang yung kakain.
Tatagalog.
Okay?
Okay.
Yung,
Tagalog, English.
yung Tagalog, i-Englishin nyo.
Tagalog English.
Okay?
Okay.
Game.
Okay.
Gagawin ko ang makakaya ko.
Ah,
I will do my best.
Ha?
I will do my best.
Ano, Hana?
I will do my best.
I will do my best is correct.
Yay!
Okay?
First
slide.
slide!
Let's go. 1,
Pa, di ba walang taas sa kamay?
2,
akala ko tataas kamay.
3,
Yun nga.
4, 5. Okay? Game. Game. Gagawin ko ang lahat. Ang sagot ay
Nang makakaya ko.
game.
I will do my best.
Magtiyaga tayo.
Magtiyaga?
Magtiyaga tayo. Wait lang, ha? Magtiyaga tayo. Let's go. Anong tamang sagot?
Magtiyaga.
Magtiyaga tayo.
Let's work up.
Ha?
Let's work up.
Wrong.
ikaw. Alam mo yan eh.
Nakalimutan ko.
Para magtsatsaga ka.
Game.
Like, magtsatsaga ka. Christian, ano?
Let's go, mama.
Ano?
Nakalimutan ko.
Okay, nakalimutan ni mama. Christian, ano?
Work hard.
Whoa, wrong. Game, Hana.
Let's ano, yung parang magtsatsaga kayo, di ba?
Oh, paano nga yun?
Let's
Do
hard,
that.
let's do it both work hard.
Wrong.
Ang hirap.
Ano?
Ano, magtsatsaga tayo nga. Ano yun, mama?
Tulungan eh.
Hard work.
Hard work. Christian.
Hindi, mali yun
Wrong,
pa.
Christian.
Ako pa.
Oh.
Let's hard work.
Ha?
Let's work hard.
Wrong. Let's be.
Let's be hard work.
Wrong.
Let's be hard. Let's be work hard.
Wrong. Let's be. P ang simula.
Let's be.
Tapos P ang sumunod.
Huh?
P ulit. Dalawang
Ay, PA pala, sorry.
Let's be...
Let's be.
Let's be.
Ang sunod, T.
Let's be pattern.
Ha?
Let's be pattern.
Pattern. Pattern
Pattern. Let's be pattern.
is correct.
Hey!
Pattern. Yes. 1,
Pattern.
2,
Let's work hard to
3,
Wala lang to eh.
4,
80.
5.
Wala lang yan.
Game.
Pante, nangula lang.
Hindi ko gagawin yan.
I will do.
I
Mama.
will not do that.
Ha?
I will not do
Wrong.
Ano nga pa?
Hindi ko gagawin iyan.
I am not doing that.
Ba yan si Christian? Layo. Ana.
I don't do that.
Wrong.
that. I will not do it.
But I will.
Hindi ko gagawin yan.
Ay, alam
Mama.
ko na.
Ah.
No, I will not do it.
Haba. No! Hindi ko gagawin yan. Christian, makinig ka, Christian.
Hindi ko gagawin
Not do
yan.
it.
Wrong.
No, don't do it.
Ako
Ah,
muna. I
game.
don't do that.
Wrong.
I don't do it.
Ah. Wrong.
I don't do this.
Wrong.
Hindi ko gagawin yan.
I W
I won't do that. I
Ah?
won't do that. I won't do that.
Wrong.
I
I
won't.
won't do it. I won't do it.
Is correct. 1,
Oh my gosh!
2,
Nakasiyamba si mama, guys.
3,
Nasagutan ko yung that tsaka this. Ay,
4,
I won't do it.
5. Masarap ba, Mama?
Masarap siya, guys.
Okay. Christian, masarap ba?
Naman.
Hindi daw.
Hindi niya pala titik.
Okay. Huwag mo akong bibiguin. Oh, Christian.
Oh, ikaw.
Huwag mo akong bibiguin.
Huwag mo ako bibiguin.
Tagal, Christian. Huwag ka sumata. Christian, sabi ko, Christian, makinig ka, Christian. Huwag mo akong bibiguin. Hana, ikaw na.
Don't disappoint me.
Wrong.
Don't. Huwag mo akong bibiguin. Don't expel me.
Wrong.
Expel?
Spill daw.
Don't expel daw, guys.
Don't pa.
Don't. Ano ba yan? Lagi na lang may clue.
Don't disappoint me.
Wrong. Don't let.
Oy! Don't let disappoint.
Wrong. Sayang.
Don't let me disappoint.
Wrong.
Don't let.
Ah.
Don't let me
Let
disappoint.
Wrong.
Don't let me disappointed.
Wrong.
Don't let disappoint.
Yes, Christian. Wrong.
Ano?
this. Ano?
Huwag mo akong bibiguin. Don't let.
Hindi yung disappoint.
Game.
Di ba hindi yung disappoint?
Hindi. Don't let.
me.
Oh, Hana.
Don't let me down.
Is correct.
No!
Don't let me down.
1,
Ano ba yun?
Don't let me
2,
down.
3,
Don't let me down.
4,
Si Golden kasi.
5. Christian, masarap ba?
Down. Di ba yun yun?
Hindi daw masarap.
Down.
Hindi daw masarap, sabi ni Christian.
Let me down.
Game. Isa lang. Mama.
One by one.
Ha?
One only. One only.
Wrong.
Isa-isa
Ana.
lang eh. One by one lang eh.
Isa-isa lang.
One.
Ha?
Wait lang.
Isa-isa lang.
Choose only one.
Just one.
Wrong.
Choose one.
Christian, para naman makakain ka, Christian.
Isa-isa lang.
One by one.
Only one.
Only one. Magaling si Christian, pero wrong.
Isa-isa lang.
One at
One at least.
wrong.
One at a time.
Correct, Mama. One,
Don't let me down.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Kawawa naman ang di pa nakakakain. Okay?
Wala, galing.
Hana, patikim nga ako, Hana. Ito, patikim nga ako ng
One
isa.
at a time.
Hindi sila. Yan.
Ito pa.
Para naman makakain naman ang ating tagapagsalita.
Sarap pag mainit.
Masarap nga.
That's true. Honest review.
Anong sunod natin gagawin?
What do next? Mali agad.
Wrong. Sarap?
What do next?
Hana.
What our next
Wrong. Mama.
What
Gagawin.
what are next doing?
Narinig ni Mama, guys.
Wrong.
What are next do?
Wrong.
Ay! What we will do next?
Wrong.
What's next?
Wrong.
What will do next?
Game. What? Ang sunod ay SH.
SH. What will show?
SH.
What will show?
What
SH.
SH.
Yes.
What?
O.
What will show?
Ah.
What should
Ay,
be
ako
next?
na.
Ha?
What
Should be next.
Wrong.
What should our next?
Wrong. Malapit na sana.
What should
Be next.
Wrong.
What should our next do?
Wrong.
What should we will do? The next.
Hoy, sayang.
We should
Ha? Ano, Christian? Ha?
Why will Anong why? Anong why? What will
Anong will?
What will we do next?
Wrong. Anong will?
What
Ako
should
pa.
Hmm.
be
What will what ay wait lang. What should we will do next?
Wrong. Walang will.
What should
Ah, mama. Si mama. Si mama. Mama.
Pag ito mali ba? What should ano sabi mo?
Wala.
Oh.
What should
Pa ako na next ha.
Game?
will ay di wala more will.
What?
What
Oh, we should ha.
we will next.
Wrong. Ah, wala na. Christian.
What should we
Ha?
What should we do?
Ano should?
What
Sabi
should
mo ba should?
Ah, sige, sige.
What should we do next?
Will. Wrong.
Ha?
Sabi ko walang will.
What should
Ana. 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 Kakasabi ko lang walang will.
Ako na guys.
Will. Sabi mo will.
Oh, may will. Walang will.
Walang will. Ah.
What should we will do next?
Wrong! Ama.
What should we do next?
Is correct!
Ay, wala bang will?
Tagalin nyo talaga, guys.
One.
Akala ko
Two.
Sabi ko.
Three.
Sabi ni Papa. Akala ko walang will sa sinabi ko, kaya
Four.
dinagdagan ko ng
Five. Masarap pa. Game?
Masarap
Christian. Kumusta Christian? Masarap ba Christian?
Kaya kakain.
Yes.
Kakain? Parang tayo lang nalalaban. Talaga.
Manatili tayong may pag-asa. Hana.
Let's stay with hope.
Wrong.
Stay with
Manatili tayong may pag-asa. Game?
Let's stand
Just,
for hope.
just,
Ah, mama?
just hope.
Love, joy, hope. Let's stay hope.
Ano Christian?
Let's stay hope.
Wrong Christian.
Stay. Let's ay manatili tayo. What stay in hope?
Game?
Stay.
We still hope.
Mama, paulit mama?
We still hope.
Wrong mama.
We still faith.
Wrong Christian.
Faith.
Faith. Pag-asa hope.
We stay peace.
Christian?
Let's stay still with hope.
Ha?
Let's stay
Wrong.
the hope.
Manatili tayong may pag-asa. Let's be.
Let's be stay hope.
Let's
Ah?
hope.
Let's be hope. Ako na una.
Which, ano?
Let's be stay with hope. Ay, let's
Wrong.
be.
Mali, ikaw na, ikaw na.
Ano nga yun?
Ah.
Ayan, tayo. Ay,
Let's
sinabi
be.
mo pa.
Ah?
Let's be. Let's be.
Ang dami ko to.
Okay, wrong
Let's
Christian.
be hope.
Ha?
Let's be hope.
Wrong.
Let's be stay
Let's be.
in hope. Let's be with hope.
Wrong.
Let's be our hope.
Wrong.
Let's be
Ano ba yan?
faith.
Let's be.
Ay, alam ko na pa.
Ah.
Let's be hopeful.
Is correct. One.
Ba
Two.
yan?
4, 5. Ang galing ni Hana. Okay. Maniniwala ako doon.
I believe that.
Ha?
I believe that.
I believe that wrong.
I believe in...
Is correct.
I believe in that.
Wrong. 1.
Ate, wrong daw. Ha?
Si Krisha lang wrong. 2, 3,
Ubusin mo na.
4, 5. Christian, anong nangyayari sa iyo, Chris?
Anong nangyari?
Okay? Tuloy lang ang buhay. Tuloy lang ang buhay.
Ikaw na.
Stay in life.
Christian? Wrong, Christian.
Stay life.
Ah,
Let's stay alive.
wrong.
Let's stay alive.
Mama?
Let's
Tuloy lang ang buhay. Tuloy.
Let's-
Keep going.
Game?
keep our life
Mama?
together.
Pa ako na.
Ano?
Keep
Ah.
going to life.
Nak!
Keep going to life, Christian. Wrong, Christian.
Pa!
Oh.
Keep
Kick.
going in life.
Wrong.
Keep going life.
Wrong.
Keep
Keep our
going
life.
living.
Tuloy lang ang buhay.
Ano umpisa?
Ay!
Ha?
Life is go on.
Life is going. Pa! Life goes on! Life
Ay.
goes on!
Ha?
Life goes on. Si mama na una.
Yun ang kasagot nun.
Ako! Sabi ni mama, life goes in!
Hana is correct.
si mama
Life is go on.
Uy, sabi ko, life goes on. Si mama nakasagot nun.
1,
Mali ka siya!
2,
Si mama yung
Ano
nakasagot.
ba yan?
3,
Ikaw nakakasagot eh.
4,
Bagal mo eh.
Ito mo.
5. Game.
Kaya ako, sobra ako. Nak mo.
Game. Magpatuloy ka lang.
Keep going.
Wrong. Wrong, Christian. Galing ni Christian.
Stay going.
Yes, magpatuloy ka lang.
Keep going.
Wrong. Lalakad ka
Let's
pa
go
natin.
going.
Ha?
Let's going.
Just
Wrong.
go. Just go on.
Wrong.
Just go in.
Christian, let's go,
Up.
Christian.
Ang sarap pa naman ng pizza.
Magpatuloy ka
Christian.
lang. Keep.
Keep going.
Ay, sagot ko. Keep
Keep go on.
running. Keep running.
Ano naman yun eh.
Wrong.
Keep running daw.
Game.
Oh.
Keep goes.
Keep.
Goes life. Keep goes in.
Keep moving.
Keep moving life.
Is correct, Mama.
Hala!
1, 2,
Forward eh. Forward.
3,
Maatras ka dun eh. Ay, umaano.
4, 5. Okay? So, dalawa na lang to, guys.
Dalawa?
Christian, masarap ba, Christian? Okay.
Hindi masarap. Masarap.
Game.
Nakakain ka rin.
Tao lang tayo.
People. Just we are just human.
Ha?
We are just human.
Wrong, Mama. Wrong.
We're just people. We are.
Mama, tao lang tayo.
Ano, yes, we are only people.
Uy, malapit na.
We
Wrong.
are only human.
Is correct.
Ah!
1,
Ay, kasi
Ano
isa
kaya
lang.
ka lang ano
Kasi
ko,
isa lang.
2,
Kasi isa lang.
Pinakain
3, 4,
Ay, naklo ko eh.
5. Okay? Isa na lang.
Human pala.
Game, ang sinong makakasagot niyan, guys? Bibilangan ko ng 15 seconds. Nagkakamali talaga. Nagkakamali talaga.
It's very wrong.
Okay, wrong.
Ang kakamali talaga.
It's actually wrong.
Game.
Ano?
Miss.
Misunderstanding.
Miss wrong. Miss surrender.
Please surrender. Ang galing ni Christian. Christian is no.
Misspoken.
Mistake.
Mistaken.
Wrong.
Mistaking.
Misspoken.
Mistake.
Mistaken.
Wrong.
Mistaken.
Taking.
Wrong.
Mistaken.
Wrong.
Mistake.
Mistaken.
Wrong.
Mistakening.
Wrong.
Mistaken.
Wrong.
Mistaking. Oh,
Mistake you.
may naalala ko, guys.
Mistake you.
Mistake. Mistake.
Mis-
Ano ngayon pa? Mistake human.
Mistake. H.
Mistake. Mistake help.
Wrong.
Take
Mistakes home.
Wrong.
Mistake hope.
Take.
Mistake him.
Wrong.
Mistake.
H-A.
Mistake. Paul.
Mistake heart.
Wrong.
Mistake here.
P.
Mistake happy.
Ah?
Mistake happy.
Wrong.
Mistake hap.
Wrong.
Happen.
It's
Mistake
correct. Okay, 1,
Kayo ah.
2, 3,
Ano na?
4,
Ang tawag
5,
na.
6,
Guys, ang bagal ni mama kumain, guys.
7,
Ubus na yung 15 seconds.
9, 10, 11,
Hindi kaya guys.
12, 13, 14,
Puno na, guys.
15. Okay, so yun
Ano
na.
guys ah?
Kinakakala kong i-congratulations si Christian! Christian, anong lasa ng pizza? Christian?
Masarap na kami sa
Sagot niya lahat guys.
Masarap.
na matamis.
Masarap sa imagine. Okay guys, thank you so much sa panonood. Siyempre, shoutout kay Mr. Hawaii.
Shout out, Mr. Hawaii!
Kay Sir Mark Anthony.
Shout out, Sir Mike Anthony!
At siyempre, nag-comment si Sir Paul.
Shout out, Sir Paul!
Okay, siyempre, ang regular natin nagko-comment si Jury Sanchez.
Shout out, Junior Sanchez!
At kay Jesus
Toribio!
Toribio. Shout out.
Shout out!
At siyempre, hindi mawawala si Mark Jones.
Shout out, Mark Jones!
Okay guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-comment, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe guys. Okay, be happy lang tayo guys. Pampawala stress. Okay, so Christian, masarap ba ang pizza? Okay, yun guys, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-like, share, comment, and
Subscribe!
hanggang sa muli, bye-bye! See you next vlog!
Bye-bye!